Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Scooters Direct, and today I'm going to do a 360 virtual test drive of the Victory 10.2 three-wheel mobility scooter. You may notice that this is a 360 video, which means that you can either turn your phone left, right, up, or down, you can tilt it, and you can see the video from 360-degree different angle and viewpoints, which allows you to basically look around this entire store. You can see behind you, in front of you, above you, and below you as we go on what we call a virtual reality mobility experience. Again, you can use your phone or a desktop computer. On the computer, you're actually going to be able to click and drag either left, right, up, or down to change the viewpoint of your computer monitor to see different angles here. You can see from the left to the right, behind, as we're driving around. Today we're going to go on a ride to Target. We're going to do some shopping at Target. We need some office supplies. And the scooter that we're using today, if you look where I'm looking and pointing, is the Victory 10.2 three-wheel. The Victory 10.2 three-wheel scooter is a very luxurious type of mobility scooter made by Pride Mobility. It has the deluxe 20-inch wide seat. That's how we ordered it for our showroom. You can get it with a standard 18-inch wide seat at no additional charge. The deluxe upgraded seat has a slight upcharge to it. But this model retails for $19.99 at the date that this video is being made. And it's a three-wheel scooter, which means it has a really good turning radius. It does have a four-wheel model too, which is going to be a little bit more stable and not have the turning ability that the three-wheel has. It'll also weigh a little bit more, but for the most part, they're pretty much the same. The four-wheel version is, I believe, a little bit more money. You can check on our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com, for up-to-date pricing on the three and the four-wheel version. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Scooters Direct. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and put my mask on, and we're going to head on and enjoy. And let's go. This mobility scooter travels up to, I believe, 5 miles per hour. Not slow, but it's also not a sportster speed model either. Make sure we cross the road carefully. Always look both ways for traffic. Looks like they have some sort of arcade here, which is pretty cool. We're in the Coconut Point Mall, and you kind of see right in here, looks like they have an arcade going on or something. Maybe worth checking out for my lunch break next time. Remember to always carefully cross the street. Always look both ways. I am going a little bit slow over the bumps because my camera mount's a little loose and I don't want it to fall.
situation.
There we go. Printer paper, 8.5 by 11. Exactly what we need. Thank you. That's fine.
Just letting you know if you want to ask whatever you spend here.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you, you too. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Lost my camera here. Thank you. Yeah, I got it. Thank you very much.